In a future world, where Earth's water has nearly run dry, people can only drink by buying it at water stations. Like fueling up with gasoline, the poor who can't afford it are forced to survive on alcohol instead. George's family lived in a home, pieced together from shipping containers. They couldn't bear to waste water, so most of the time, they relied on sticky foods for hydration. Though they owned a large plot of land, without irrigation, nothing could grow on it. Every day, George and his son walked for hours delivering supplies to workers at the water plant. His son Nick tried hard to befriend the plant manager, hoping one day the water supply could extend to their village. But George had no money to bribe him, so they were turned away every time. On the way back, their old donkey collapsed from dehydration. Nick couldn't bear its suffering and put it out of its misery. The next morning, George spent a fortune at the town auction to buy a second-hand mechanical donkey, but this only made the family poorer. On their way to the water station, George couldn't resist taking a sip under the blazing sun. Yet that single sip cost them an entire day's wages. Even though life was so hard, Nick still shared their precious water with a starving family begging on the roadside. Days later, George's daughter's new boyfriend found out about the mechanical donkey. This boy had no respect for elders, but his daughter fell for him anyway. To stop them from meeting, George even nailed the doors and windows shut. But one morning, he discovered the warehouse wide open and mechanical donkey gone. George instantly knew who stole it. He rushed to the boy's home, only to hear from his father that the boy had gone into the mountains to deliver goods. George grew even more certain of the theft. He climbed toward the mountain peak, but just then, a sudden accident occurred.